So I'm on to using these 18-inch roller sleeves. So you just have to get these cages. You can buy them, any hardware store will, or most will sell these. They're a bit more money than the 9-inch, and so is the sleeve. But it really is nice for painting large surfaces. It just helps to get the job done a little bit quicker. This is a 15 mil roller, so fairly thick, and also helps you be able to put on more. Also like how both ends are nice and secure, so I think it helps evenly distribute the paint on the surface. Yeah, it gives a really nice finish. So yeah, these 18-inch rollers, now you want to make sure that whatever pole you're attaching to is going to be nice and heavy duty, because when this is full of the paint and then the weight of the cage, you got a bit more weight than obviously a 9-inch roller sleeve, so pretty much double the weight. So you just want to make sure you get a heavy duty pole, not anything too flimsy or cheap. And yeah, that's a little tutorial on the 18-inch rollers.